today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up visitor tracking on HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or simply fine-tuning your configuration, setting up visitor tracking is a crucial step in understanding your audience and making smarter marketing decisions. Let's walk through the process so you can get your tracking code up and running in just a few minutes. Start by heading over to the HubSpot website, open your browser, and navigate to hubspot.com, where you'll land on the homepage. HubSpot offers a suite of tools to help manage different aspects of your business, and this is where we'll begin the setup. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner and click it. If you already have a HubSpot account, simply sign in with your credentials. If not, you can create one. It's quick and easy. After logging in, you'll arrive at the HubSpot home screen, which serves as your main dashboard for tools, navigation, and settings. Next, let's navigate to the settings section. Look at the upper right corner of your dashboard for the gear icon. This section allows you to manage everything from account preferences to integrations. Click on the gear icon to proceed. Inside settings, find the tracking and analytics option. This area controls how HubSpot collects and analyzes visitor data. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a dedicated section for data tracking. Here, you'll find an option labeled tracking code. Go ahead and click on it. This is where HubSpot provides a small snippet of code that you'll need to add to your website. This tracking script monitors visitor activity and sends valuable analytics back to your HubSpot account. Make sure to copy the entire code snippet carefully to avoid any tracking issues. Your final step is to paste this tracking code onto your website. Depending on how your website is built, you may need to place it in the global header or footer so it loads on every page. This ensures seamless data collection as visitors browse your site. After pasting the code, make sure to save your website changes so HubSpot can begin collecting data immediately. And that's it. With just a few simple steps and a quick code insertion, you've successfully set up visitor tracking on HubSpot. This setup enables you to collect invaluable insights into how visitors interact with your website. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.